Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today's video we will be unboxing Japan order and I'll show you what I got. So let's see what I got. Alright, so I sort of already unpacked most of the stuff, but here it is. First thing I have purchased is another Pentel pen. Time it is 0.4. I did purchase the 0.5 in the past in paint, and I find that the ink is very bold when I write in the Hobonichi planner. So decided to try out a 0.4. which is this one here. So I'm going to see how that goes and hopefully I will like that. And I also purchased another refill. So I want to try out this Pental in blue. I kind of wish I could bought one more at the refill in the 0.4 so I can use it in this new pen. But that's okay. I guess next time when I finish up this pen, I could always buy the refill next time. The next planner I purchased is something was very unexpected because I was planning on using other planners and I already have in mind. Now I actually purchased this. This is called the, I apologize if I pronounced it incorrectly. It's the Jibun Techo Light in the 2022. Here is an overview what I can use this planner. And of course it's in the Japanese and I don't read or write Japanese, so I don't understand it, but I think I could use the Google Translate and it will auto translate what these mean. But I kind of have an idea what the concept it's about. If I need to understand a bit more, I can definitely use the Google Translate, and I will make another video in depth, show you all the pages that's included. Just basically this planner has only the weekly pages, does not have the daily pages. It also has the monthly page as well. Sort of like the Hobonichi cousin, except it doesn't have the daily pages. Yeah, so I'm excited to see how that goes. This is in B6, so it is a little bit smaller. You can see it's like the size of my palm almost. But yeah, I'll definitely make a more in-depth video. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more planning related video. I'll see you next time. Bye planner friends!